Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up a PIN password on our Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for lock screen, passwords, etc. Of course, in the settings. So settings, lock screen, and at the top we have lock screen type. By default we have a swipe. To set up a PIN, we are going to go here. And as you can see, at least 4 digits, we can use more, but 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Continue, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes, done. Do not backup. We have our PIN as our lock screen. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.